Hello beauties, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are fine. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel, as well as do follow me on Instagram, that is makeup by Namita. So first I am filling up my brows. So first I did the wax, then I filled up my brows. Then after that I am giving it the finishing touch. Then I am using Carnival 3 palette. So the color I am using, that is green. So the look I am creating, that is the glam green bloom look. So here from the inner corners area I have darkened up my eyes. You can see the guys. Then after that I am concealing it to give up the finishing touch. And then after that I am using the black kohl and I am using it as a liner. You can see it guys. And then again I am giving it the finishing touch. So then I am blending it very properly. Then after that I am using a silver foil, or either you can use a shimmer too. I prefer using it in a different way, so that's why I'm using a silver foil guys, you can see. And then after that I'm using a face primer, that is from 𝐸. Then after that I am using foundation from Sugar. And then I'm blending it properly. You can see it guys. Just blend it properly. Then after that I am using Tarte Cosmetics concealer, and then I'm blending it properly. And after blending it I have used my loose powder, that is also from 𝐸. And then I am just finishing it up. And then I'm using my blush on, that is from Milani. And I am using black lipstick, that is from 𝐇𝐚𝐬𝐡𝐭𝐚𝐠𝐬 lashes. Then again I am using a silver foil to give a new finishing touch, and this is my look. So let's change it up, and voila, this is my look guys. I hope you all guys really liked it. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.